Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about the last update in OneFootball Airdrop. We will teach you how to register for the Airdrop TGE and complete the tasks step by step. So keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. Link will be down below in the description box. Now, let's get started. First, there is a link down below in the description box. I want you to copy that link and then open MySys browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then, you will land on this page. And in the top right corner, click on login. They will show you this message to type your email address and then click on submit. Next, they will send you a verification code, so make sure to copy that code and paste it here. Then you will land on the same page again. Just scroll down a little bit and click on join now. And as you see, you need to connect your X account and your wallet address. Let me show you how to do that very quickly. Let's start with the X account. Now let's connect the wallet. They will show you this message, so click on connect. Then they will show you another message, so click on confirm. Now if we go back here, as you see there are new tasks. You need to follow their account on X platform and join their Telegram channel. Let me show you how to do this. Now let's go back to the dashboard again, and if we scroll down a little bit, as you see there is a new list of tasks that you need to complete. Let's start with the first one, claim your season 1 balls. So click on start, then continue, then confirm. And as you see, the number of balls didn't change because I didn't join the season 1. Now let's repeat the same process with the next task. And as you see, the number of balls increased up to 10,000. Now if we scroll down a little bit, you can complete all these tasks which are related to the X platform, and when you finish, let's go back to the top. Now as you see, you can claim this registration badge. Just click on claim now on the right side. They will show you this message, and as you see it will cost you about $1 in addition to the network fees. Claiming this badge is completely optional. If you want to increase your airdrop allocation, you can claim it, but this is not a financial advice. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about the last update in OneFootball Airdrop. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon guys. Good luck.